I've been interested in animals since I was a child, so always passionate about. Somehow it ended up in the animal sort of industry. So my name is Jess. I'm currently studying at the Bachelor of Science in Honours, and I just graduated my Bachelor of Veterinary Wildlife Science. I received the Cyril Callister scholarship, and this really helped me as I often do the volunteering. I do tracking with the Wildlife Hospital a lot, which helps in my studies as well as part of work experience. When I received the scholarship, I was super excited. It really just helped me with fuel, basically. You know, like 1 week there, I was spending $300 just for fuel. It really helped put towards that. What I love about working with animals is probably the payoff. Seeing them go back to the wild, and you know, they are very cute in care as well, despite not being able to handle them. But yeah, really seeing them go back to where they came from, healthy, and hopefully off to continue their lives and do well is really kind of the whole point. So a day at the Wildlife Hospital kind of includes just cleaning the enclosures, usually after they've been released or gone into surgery. I also help out with feeding and rehabilitation, as well as minor assistance in surgeries. Outside of the hospital, but still with them, I do the wildlife post-release training. The wildlife conservation in regional Victoria is important because of the urban sprawl, and you know, most of the wildlife is living out here with us in regional Victoria. You know, they're most affected by habitat loss here, usually extinct in the cities. Yeah, so the most memorable experience at the Wildlife Hospital for me has been probably all the releases. They're really emotional, and also it's really feel good to kind of watch the animal go and be in its habitat, and usually they look back as well, so it's really quite a precious moment. So there's a real community behind it, and it is very encouraging to get all these people included, especially farmers and people that really want to help. You have people messaging you all the time asking, you know, this koala was released like on our property, can we see a map or anything of where it is? Without scholarship support, I would have probably had to take on more hours of work and not dedicated as much time towards my study, or remove myself from the Wildlife Hospital tracking wise, which I don't want to do because I do thoroughly enjoy that. I'm learning minor vet nurse techniques and measurements and how to do certain diagnostic tests, how to handle and how to rehabilitate. So that's all really helping me for hopefully a future in vet nursing. So my advice would be to just kind of go for it. Hopefully you'll be in a career at the end of your degree that you really enjoy, and there is also scholarship support that you can also apply for.